Move over, coffee. There's a new beverage taking the world by storm. Matcha green tea. This vibrant green elixir has been a staple in Japanese tea ceremonies for centuries. Matcha is revered for its taste and powerful health benefits. But recently matcha has stepped out of the shadows and into the spotlight, captivating health enthusiasts and casual drinkers alike. From lattes and smoothies to cakes and ice cream, matcha is popping up everywhere, and for good reason. What is it about this vibrant green tea that has everyone buzzing? It's simple. Matcha offers a unique combination of flavor and health benefits that are tough to beat. Unlike regular green tea, where the leaves are steeped and discarded, matcha is made from finely ground tea leaves. This means you're consuming the entire leaf, unlocking a potent dose of nutrients and antioxidants that can supercharge your health. So, whether you're looking for a healthy alternative to your morning coffee, a natural way to boost your energy levels, or simply a delicious and refreshing drink, matcha green tea is a perfect choice. Get ready to discover the power of this green machine and experience the transformative effects it can have on your health and well-being. Matcha is more than just a trendy drink. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your body from head to toe. Let's dive into some of its amazing health benefits. First, it is an antioxidant powerhouse. Matcha is bursting with antioxidants, especially catechins. These powerful compounds fight free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Matcha is also a metabolism booster. Need a natural way to kickstart your metabolism? Matcha contains a compound called EGCG, which has been shown to boost metabolism and help burn calories. So make matcha green tea part of your weight loss program. How about relaxation? Matcha has an amazing soothing effect. Calm energy, no jitters. Say goodbye to coffee crashes. Matcha contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus without the jitters. Enjoy sustained energy and mental clarity throughout the day. Let's not forget detoxification. Matcha is a natural detoxifier thanks to its chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll helps your body eliminate toxins and heavy metals, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. You might be wondering, how is matcha different from regular green tea? Now that is an excellent question. It's all about the way it's processed and consumed. While both come from the Camellia sinensis plant, matcha packs a more potent nutritional punch. With regular green tea, you steep the leaves in hot water and discard them, extracting only a portion of their nutrients. But with matcha, you're consuming the entire leaf, ground into a fine powder. This means you're getting a concentrated dose of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Think of it this way, drinking a cup of matcha is like consuming 10 cups of regular green tea in terms of its nutritional value. No wonder matcha is considered the superhero of the green tea family. So if you're looking for the most potent way to reap the benefits of green tea, matcha is the clear winner. Are you ready to experience the magic of matcha? Incorporating it into your daily routine is easier than you think. Here are a few simple ideas. First, the classic matcha latte. Start your day with a comforting and energizing matcha latte. Simply whisk a teaspoon of matcha powder with hot water until frothy, then add your choice of milk and sweetener. Next, the matcha smoothie boost. Add a teaspoon or two of matcha powder to your favorite smoothie recipe for a nutritional and flavor boost. It pairs perfectly with fruits like banana, mango, and pineapple. Then, matcha overnight oats. Prepare a healthy and delicious breakfast the night before by mixing rolled oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and a teaspoon of matcha powder. Let it sit overnight in the fridge and enjoy it cold in the morning. Finally, matcha energy bites. For a quick and healthy snack, combine dates, nuts, seeds, and a tablespoon of matcha powder in a food processor. Pulse until a sticky dough forms, then roll into bite-sized balls. From boosting your energy levels and supporting your immune system to promoting detoxification and protecting your heart health, the benefits of matcha green tea are truly remarkable. By incorporating this vibrant elixir into your daily routine, you're making a powerful investment in your health and well-being. So why wait? Hit that subscribe button and then go out and get some matcha green tea.